Hello, so this is Marvelous Cranes. This is the final project by Joe, Nick, and Ethan. It's in honour of this man here, Roy Malloy, who is Alex Cameron's saxophonist and business partner on the self-titled Mighty Marvelous Cranes. If we scroll to the bottom, got links to his socials, Twitter there, his Instagram account, which is where the kind of name came from, the handle that he uses. And then finally, Alex Cameron's Spotify. If we hit respect, it will go through to the login area. If a user is new to Marvelous Cranes, they can sign up following the link, inputting their email address, phone number, creating themselves a username and a password. I'm already registered, so go straight back to login. When we log in, we'll be landed straight onto the All Cranes page. If we take a look at the navigation bar across the bottom, from left to right, All Cranes profile, which is just the cranes that user has uploaded, add crane in the middle, map view, and then settings on the far right. If we take a look at the crane that Ethan added yesterday, you can kind of drop the arrow to show a bit more information, the crane rate, location rate, comment, how far away that crane is from you. So Marvelous Cranes gets the user's current location. You can view on the map where it is. You can kind of zoom in, hide that map. If you click onto the username, it will show a bit more information on that user, when they was a member, when they signed up, number of cranes they've added, number of likes that they've received, which is, you can kind of like that crane there. If we go to the middle now and actually add a crane, so we've used Google Maps API, use Google Places as well, so we can search here. Search, I don't know, bury it. We'll take you to there. You can get the user's current location by clicking the little compass. So I'm in there. But if we go back now to add where I want to add this crane, so St. Peter's Square, I believe was where the crane was. Where are we? Okay, so drop the marker where the crane was. Now enter the details. So take a photo or select a photo from your device. Give a caption. Manchester crane. We'll give it a rate. So it's quite a good crane. Quite a nice setting. And then we will add that crane. So that crane successfully been added. So if we go back to the All Crane page now, that should be there. See that previous information. Again, view it on the map. If I go to users now, again, that should be there. Kind of drops the username. If we go back to the home page, you can kind of sort the cranes. So the crane rate, ascending, date added, etc. You can also filter. So if you want to see kind of just some of the better cranes, you can apply that. Remove Ethan's, which is quite a lowly rated. But we'll clear that and we'll close them filters to go back to all of them. If we go into map view, this is where you can kind of see it. If you click onto the crane, you'll open up an info window, which will give the caption, the crane rate and the location rate. Again, you can get the user's current location. You can search places as well. So if we take a look at that one in York, Ethan added, there you go. Kind of zoom in on it. And then the final page is settings, where a user can update their details. So if we click onto username, it will pre-fill that username. Same with the phone number, same with the email address. You can set a new password there and click update once they're happy with it.